guys, welcome back in this video. As usual, I am here with some beautiful tattoo ideas for you, and you can see what I'm gonna show you in this video. Yeah, in this video I am gonna show you 25 plus beautiful and amazing rose tattoo ideas. So watch till the end of this video. So first you have to watch all the tattoo designs I have considered in this video, and I can promise you are never gonna disappoint with these tattoo designs. And guys, now we are going to discuss the meaning of these tattoos. And I think you know rose tattoos have a long history since 1930s. And I think that time, first of all, sailors used to ink them to symbolize their girlfriend, wife or mother. And now the rose tattoo has become a classic ink design choice for people around the world. A rose's symbolism varies by the color of the rose and how many roses are given. Like red roses symbolize love and romance and are a perfect Valentine's Day rose. Yellow roses are associated with friendship, and pink roses are the sign of happiness and elegance. You can give it to anyone who makes you happy. And guys, if you're enjoying this video, you can press the like and subscribe button to watch more interesting videos from us in future. And guys, if you wanna talk with me or have any questions regarding tattoos and all, you can consider messaging me on Instagram. My Instagram user ID is awrts111. So now we are at the end of this video. We will meet again in another video. Till then, keep watching. Thank you. Bye bye.